Look, it's a pool. And no dehumidifier. So the lighting sucks in here. It's flickering. It's really annoying. So we got a Dectron. I call them Dickotrons because they suck. Oh, no, there's no light up here. So I'll get you on my head here. And I need light. Oh God, the lighting in here is horrible. And let's go see if we got some power to my Dectron. The ladder's like permanently here. I wonder why. I think we just replaced this disconnect. I think it was toasted. Oh yeah, I'm not going to have any light in a minute. So let's see what we got up here. Okay, I got voltage coming in. Voltage coming in. Can you guys see? Oh, please. Okay. So we got power to the unit. These things are made in Canada, and trying to get parts, it's fun. Oh, the control section is on the other side. It's warm. It's warm. Let me reposition this ladder over on the other side. Alright, so the maintenance gentleman got here, and he's like, well, we had a brownout or a power outage. Half the building came on, half of it didn't. So probably when it came back on, it overloaded. So I hit the reset. There we go. Hit the reset on the contactor, and I had voltage at the disconnect, voltage at the transformer on my display wasn't lighting up. So apparently 24 volts goes through here for my control, and luckily, hopefully it didn't damage the control, which I'm not thinking. Thinking we just had a power issue and that protected everything, hopefully. But we're gonna let it run and see what happens. Oh, these guys are telling me that this stuff was working, but I got an air vent that's like totally leaking. So, and it's been patched right here. I don't know if my stuff's gonna cut it. Ooh, that's not gonna cut that. Let me crap. Let me make sure there's no pressure in there first, which I don't think there is. We're gonna find out. Yeah, we are. Oh, fuck me. Oh, well then. Huh. Let me get this cut and I'm gonna get it put on. Alright, so I got it primed up. And yeah, I don't know what the hell is in there. I got it primed up. Let's get some glue on it. I gotta get him back in here to start this thing back up because I don't know what he shut off. Lights are driving me nuts. Yeah, because as soon as he started filling the pool or turned the valve on, this thing started shooting water. As you can see, it's been worked over a few times. Let that set up. Oh, I gotta get screws back in this thing. Honestly, I think they put like galvanized in this freaking crap. I think that's, well, of course, it's not gonna last in the pool. Good old Dectron. Let me tell you, this hotel pool isn't the best. As you can tell. I asked him about the lights and he's like, oh, they haven't got them for me yet. I asked him 2 months ago. Huh. That doesn't work. The reheat doesn't work. So, limited funds. Alright, let's turn it back on. Fan's gonna come on. There's a 5-minute. It's gonna say PF. Power, call it power failure, but it's going to take 5 minutes for the compressor to come on and then we should be good. I got the water turned back onto it, no leaks up here. So with these Dectron units, it does pool heat too. So when the compressor comes on, oh, that light's annoying. So when the compressor comes on, we should start feeling heat out there. This is the line going out, and that's the line coming back. So let's give it a few minutes and see what it does. Yeah, that would started just, he was adding pressure to it, and there's a lot of pressure. And it started leaking. I turned it on, and I'm like, he turned that on, filling the pool, and it started leaking from up top. And I didn't realize it was this bad. They had a patch on it. So if he would have let that go any longer, it would have been shooting out. It would have soaked this whole room, flooded the whole room out. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna have to put that door on right. But pressure's pumping. Darn it, let me get this door on right. I was wondering why it was making noise. Alright, so I got compressor. Let's see. And I think it says pool heat. Let me see. It says pool heat, top, middle. Am I blowing warm water? Yeah, I kind of think I am. Let's see. Yeah, got warm water. Oh, okay. Well, let me let it run here for a minute. See what's going on. I think we're good though. No leaks. I really hate getting into these things. I really do. Because, you know, it's faulting out now. Won't heat the pool. So, say my pool temperature's at 148 degrees. So I definitely have a sensor problem. That's my code. So it's going to lock itself out. It'll circulate air, but and the auxiliary heat's supposed to be on, and that thing don't work. So I hate getting into this, because usually there's another service tech out here, and apparently he didn't get the okay for the inducer motor, from what I hear. And we'll see what happens with this. See if I get an okay to repair the part on this, that sensor. Well, we're gonna have to order a sensor for that one. Why is this lady in the middle of the street with a stroller standing there? Don't understand people. But we are going to have to order the pool sensor for that, the pool water sensor, because its fault now, that fault it's throwing is code 07, and that's for water temperature over 120 degrees. So it's not going to run the compressor. So we're going to have to call Canada and get ourselves a sensor. Hopefully we can speak French, because every time you call that company, you get some French guy on the line that can speak English, but you can't understand him with his French accent. No offense. You just can't understand the guys. But I don't know. What do I know? I'm just a redneck American. So once we get the sensor all taken care of, should run fine, kinda, but they're gonna have to get that auxiliary heater auxiliary heater fixed, because it's only going to provide so much heat off that compressor between heating the pool. It just won't heat the room right. So let me finish sneezing. You guys know what you need to do. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. And hopefully we get a follow-up on this one. Thanks, guys.